TWS Qingdao International Company is a Sino-foreign joint venture company integrating industry and trade. Located in the beautiful coastal city of Qingdao, since its establishment, the company has specialized in the research, development, production and sales of functional textile materials. We mainly produce PE tarpaulin and PVC tarpaulin, all kinds of nets and weed control mat for various purposes and specifications, which are recognized by both domestic and foreign customers. We have experience in production and sales in the global market, and our company's R&D and innovation ability and product craftsmanship are in the leading position in the industry, and we are able to launch creative new products based on consumer demand and lead the market trend. In terms of quality management, we are able to adhere to lean manufacturing and strictly control the three major production processes of pre-production, production and post-production, with strong product quality stability and test BSCI, SGS, ISO, REACH certification. The company's products are mainly exported to Europe and the United States while exported to Asia, Latin America, Africa, Australia and other global 6 continents, more than 60 countries and regions. And many well-known foreign importer like Walmart, Costco, to establish a long-term and stable strategic cooperative relationship. Honesty and passion is our motto. We are looking forward to establishing long-term cooperation with you to create a better future.